Greetings, and welcome to this celebration of the Yale School of Nursing, Class of 2020. It's an honor to be able to share in this special day with you and to commemorate this important milestone. While we are sad we cannot be together for our usual festivities in New Haven, I am grateful that we can gather virtually across space and time to mark the occasion. Let me begin by thanking all those watching, loved ones, faculty, staff, and mentors who have supported our extraordinary graduates during their time at YSN as they work to become the nurses, midwives, health system leaders, and nurse scientists that the world is desperately calling for right now. Congratulations to every single one of our graduates on crossing this finish line, albeit virtually. It's an understatement to say that the world was a different place when you started at Yale School of Nursing those years ago. It was different even just a few months ago. Some of you had only just begun your nursing journey, while others came to YSN to build on years of nursing experience. You had clear goals and an inspired vision for how your education would progress. In any journey, bumps on the road can be expected, assessed, and dealt with accordingly. And often these bumps lead to the greatest growth. A clinical rotation may alter the direction of a career. A professor's comment may inspire a new research thread. And a project may launch a movement. No matter how you started, you are finishing as Yale nurses. You answered when the world called. You have handled your last semester with grace, grit, flexibility, and determination, and you are to be applauded for that. From here, you will set forth as a healer at a time when society is facing unprecedented need. No simulation has prepared the world for COVID-19's impact, but I trust that you can take everything you learned at YSN, coupled with the different experiences you brought with you, and help lead your communities out of a pandemic that has made clear society's disparities, weaknesses, and fragilities. The COVID-19 pandemic will remake us, and Yale nurses must help remake society to be more just through your work in the health systems, universities, and other workplaces across the country. As Yale nurses, you will be joining communities and institutions that need you more than ever. Congratulations, Class of 2020. We are so proud of you. I am honored now to recognize exceptional individuals from our community who have been nominated by students and faculty for teaching, scholarship, service, and research through our annual recognition process. Annie Goodrich, the founding dean of Yale School of Nursing, was an outstanding nurse leader and educator whose vision set the course for nursing education. The very origins of our school emerged from the ashes of another worldwide conflagration, World War I. We honor her legacy through the Annie Goodrich Award for Excellence in Teaching by recognizing a faculty member who carries on the tradition of exceptional nursing education. Each year, students nominate faculty members, highlighting their outstanding teaching skills, professional activities, and effectiveness as a role model, availability, and support for students and community activities. This year's recipient exemplifies nursing excellence through her commitment to all students. During the COVID-19 outbreak, she recognized a need for a change in seminar. She created a space for students to talk about their concerns with their jobs, homes, and families. She started each Zoom call with a mindfulness exercise and encouraged students to bring exercises they could facilitate with the group. As a preceptor liaison, she has built many trusting relationships with clinicians in the community and is working to spread YSN psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner students through different levels of care. She is also an instructor who teaches across programs and has transformed the teaching experience and classroom space for the Gepin students. This year, we are proud to present the 2020 Annie Goodrich Award for Excellence in Teaching to an amazing advisor, faculty member, and mentor, Dr. Delise Robertson. Congratulations and thank you, Dr. Robertson. The Charles King Jr. Memorial Scholars Aid Prize is given to a graduating student who has demonstrated outstanding performance in scholarship, research, and clinical practice, and who, through accomplishments in and leadership of all aspects of study, has inspired an admiration for professional nursing work. The recipient has proven herself to be the quintessential APRN to be. She actively sought out experiences in community health through her volunteerism at the Haven Free Clinic, through her request for and completion of a rotation with the Yale Community Healthcare Van, through her participation in the Gender, Sexuality, and Health Justice Concentration, and through her work in Tijuana, Mexico, providing prenatal care, primary care, and other services with the Refugee Health Alliances organization. She is compassionate, astute, and approachable to all individuals with whom she interacts. She continues to be a leader in nursing knowledge through her work as a med-surg nursing TA, her ongoing work with the Minority Student Nurses Organization, and in her professional life, serving on behalf of underserved populations. And she embodies forward-looking action. As she said about another celebration, the Gepin graduation, our work here as nurses, students, and activists is just beginning. It's a great pleasure to award the 2020 Charles King Jr. Memorial Scholars Aid Prize to Camille Lawhead. Congratulations, Ms. Lawhead. The Milton and Ann Sidney Prize is awarded to a graduating student whose research, in the judgment of the faculty, best exemplifies the school's commitment to clinical scholarship and its mission to contribute to better health for all people. This year's recipient has produced an in-depth exploration of vaginal birth after cesarean section, VBAC, in the United States. Her integrative review exposed the facilitators and barriers identified in the literature of accessing VBAC in the U.S. Her study of 2017 birth certificate data is the first large data set, state-by-state demographic and geographic examination of VBAC. Her mixed methods dissertation research uncovered graphic stories of women's struggles to have vaginal births after prior cesareans, sometimes forcing them into unsafe choices, such as giving birth in a hotel room near a hospital that would not let them labor in their facility. She found that women who felt disrespected or lacked autonomy were less likely to plan a VBAC. This nominee has 6 national and international presentations or posters during her doctoral program. Her dissertation research was supported by the March of Dimes Margaret Comerford Frieda Saving Babies Together Award, the Association of Women's Health, Obstetric, and Neonatal Nurses, and the Rockefeller University Helbrin Family Center for Nursing Research. Noting the depth and care of her work, I am honored to award the Milton and Ann Sidney Prize to Dr. Bridget Lynn Basile Ibrahim. Congratulations, Dr. Ibrahim. It's now my pleasure to introduce one of our graduating students, Danielle in the Adult Gerontology Primary Care Nurse Practitioner specialty, who will address the class of 2020.
I still remember the first day I stepped into YSN. A little excited, a little nervous, and very much determined. I was wearing a Yale hoodie that my parents bought me to congratulate me on getting accepted to the program. All throughout orientation, I remember twirling my hoodie strings and thinking in my mind of what to say to my new peers so as to not make a fool out of myself. First introductions and a bit of awkwardness is now something I can look back on and laugh about with my cohort, who are now my friends. We have all come a long way, fought through our own struggles, and managed to make it to the finish line, hand in hand. So, where do we go from here? Some of us will continue our journey in academics, following in the footsteps of our DNP and PhD colleagues, earning doctoral degrees, becoming researchers and professors. Some of us may dive back into the clinical field, working as advanced practice nurses at private practices or university hospitals, or maybe even working for the CDC. I hear they've been busy these days. The possibilities are almost dauntingly endless, but no matter what we all decide to do with our degrees, there is one common point. What will tie us together is our shared heritage in the practice of nursing. We are all about to embark on careers that require the highest levels of empathy and compassion. We are committed, selfless, unified, brave, and fierce multitaskers. This is the common point that I have seen in every single one of my classmates. Alongside our fellow healthcare providers in various specialties, we tested our strengths during these unprecedented times of the COVID-19 pandemic. We volunteered at local clinics. We worked long, seemingly hopeless shifts in the ICU. We helped with hotline calls from terrified potential patients. We video chatted our friends and family who had questions and concerns about possible symptoms. We came together as a community to get their commencement cancellations. We shared resources and knowledge and reached out to one another. Through it all, we have become more aware of what's at stake. And we have proved resilient and knit together even closer. We are the grassroots. We are the heartbeat. We are the frontline warriors, the masked army. As Yale nurses, may we never forget where we started, where we come from. Let us also not forget our sense of pride and this honorable call of duty that fills us all with fire today. More than ever, the field of nursing has become vital in healthcare, and the demand for nursing professionals in the United States alone is expected to increase drastically in the coming years. We are facing a time when our expertise and dedication is desperately needed at hospitals and clinics all over the world. And now it is our turn to step up and fully embrace these responsibilities. As we go out into the real world with all training wheels off, may we not be afraid to step out of our comfort zones. May we be willing to work in underserved communities, and may we never forget YSN's mission, better health for all people. I would like to close by giving thanks to where they are due. First, to our amazing YSN staff who put up with our endless emails and questions and solved all of our everyday difficulties. To our professors who have guided us so far and taught us what it takes to become a true Yale nurse. To our family and loved ones, thank you for your unconditional love and support. We would not have been able to do this without you. And to our peers, who pushed and motivated each other to keep faith in the vision and trust the process. In the future, when we look back at our time at YSN, from texting your friend every morning, asking them what classroom to go to, forgetting your student ID to get into the building, talking about what our future holds for us in the hub, celebrating the end of every semester, and studying in the study rooms for hours on end, I hope that those memories bring you joy. And most importantly, I hope they keep you grounded and motivate you to work together, appreciate others, and learn more in order to be the best you can be for your patients. As someone quoted Nightingale on the whiteboard on the ground floor of YSN, let us never consider ourselves finished nurses, for we must be learning all of our lives. Thank you for listening, and deepest congratulations to us, the class of 2020.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us today to celebrate our graduates, brave and fierce. Please join me in a toast to congratulate them on this special passage and to wish them our heartfelt best in all their future endeavors. We are so proud of you and look forward to everything you will share with the world, a world ready for healing.
Happy graduation! Congratulations, Yale Nursing Class of 2020. So happy for you to reach this milestone. And I want you to know that I'm sending you my happiness from wherever you are, all corners of the world, celebrating that we are with you and we are so excited about all the remarkable contributions that you're going to make to this world. Lots of love.
Congratulations, Yale Acute Care NP graduates. Woohoo! Woo!
Hello, this is Erin McMahon from the Midwifery Specialty, saying congratulations to the class of 2020. We are so proud of you and all the hard work that you have put in over the last few years, demonstrating your strength, resilience, and commitment to patient care. I want to thank you for allowing me to share my passion for midwifery and nursing with you, and for the opportunity to learn alongside of you. We are so excited to see the great things that this class is going to do. Congratulations.
From the grounds of Yale campus, congratulations, Yale nurses of 2020. You did it. You deserve this moment. I want you to remember 3 things. When you're taking care of patients and communities, you do it with passion and compassion. That is the Yale way. Number 2, please take care of yourself. That is so important in being a nurse. And number 3, you'll always be a Yale nurse. Keep in touch, Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, Yale Acute Care NP grads.
On behalf of the faculty of the Yale School of Nursing and the Graduate School of Arts and Sciences, we want to congratulate the 3 students who have completed their PhD degree this year. And they are Bridget Bazil Ibrahim and Krista Knudsen and Abigail Wilpers. We wish you the very best going forward. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, YSN FNP's class of 2020. I am so incredibly proud of you. You have so much to be proud of in this very moment. Over the past 3 years, you've proven that nothing is impossible. You've put your lives on complete halt to conquer your dreams. You've overcome adversities. You've challenged yourselves to do better and to be better. You have done it. I'm so proud of each and every one of your accomplishments. You have sincerely persevered. You've exhibited unwavering strength. You've demonstrated commendable courage. I challenge each and every one of you just to remember where you came from. Stay humble. Always be kind. Treat all of your patients as if they were your family. Accept criticism with grace. And, of course, never stop learning. I, for one, am someone that is so grateful that each and every one of you has been chosen to enter this most heroic profession. We need more healthcare providers like you in this world, so welcome aboard. I wish you nothing but success and happiness in your future. Just remember to always believe in yourself. This world is waiting for you to heal it one person at a time. Congratulations on an amazing job. We will miss you, but we are so, so proud of you.
Congratulations, class of 2020. I'm very proud of you. This is an amazing accomplishment. The world right now needs you. We need nurse practitioners like you. We need midwives like you. We need nurse scientists like you. We need nurse leaders like you. This is a time for Yale nurses to really go out and serve the world. You all are prepared. You all have made an amazing accomplishment. I look forward to serving with all of you in the field in the future.
Congratulations, Yale Acute Care NP grads.
Woo! Hey, class of 2020. It's finally over. Now the fun begins. You're going to be doing what you wanted to do. It was a dream, and it's now before you. Everything is important. But as you're all well aware, everything is never enough. So stay open and curious and be adventuresome. The world needs you, so go. There is much work to be done. We will miss you and we're very proud of you. Good luck.
From 2 YSN alums, congratulations, class of 2020.
Hi guys, I just want to say congratulations to the 2020 Acute Care Nurse Practitioner grads. We're here in our ICU and you guys are going to be frontliners pretty soon, so I'm really, really proud of you. I also got a former grad who's recently been a patient to give you a little talk, some advice, and to sing you a song. So congratulations again.
Congratulations to all Yale graduates, and especially the YSN graduates, and especially the acute care graduates of 2020. My name is Andy Saleh. I am also a Yale graduate from the acute care program, and Dr. Laura Andrews asked me to say a few words to all of you, considering we're all held up in our homes and can't have a graduation. So, like all of you, you are now like birds. You have migrated long distances together at Yale. You have made friends and grown, I'm sure, in ways that you never thought possible only a few years ago. My best advice from an alum standpoint, from a provider standpoint, and from also a patient standpoint is make sure that you treat your patients, and really everyone for that matter, like you were sitting in that hospital bed. Again, I'd like to thank Yale for, and especially YSN, for the springboard that allowed me to kind of jump on and find new experiences. I wish you all the best, and I know you all have a variety of different jobs, but the vocation that you all share will always be the same, and you will give the world better health for all people. So thank you very much, and congratulations, graduates.
Congratulations, class of 2020. Just sending this celebratory video. I'm so happy for you guys. This has been a long, hard journey. I know it's probably not how you envisioned your commencement would go, but it doesn't change the fact that this is such an important milestone in your life. I'm so proud of all of you. It's just such an amazing, fantastic accomplishment, and I'm so proud to have all of you go out into the world as nurse practitioners. Congratulations.
Happy graduation day, P&P class of 2020. We are so proud of you and wanted to share just a few clinical pearls before we send you out into the world.
Would just like to take this opportunity to tip my hat to you and to wish you congratulations on your graduation. And you should be very proud of all that you've accomplished these past few years during your time at YSN. I've really enjoyed getting to know each of you, whether it be in sort of the large classes or the medium-sized classes, or even over in the clinic. So again, congratulations. Going forward, one, I guess, thing I would hope you would do is consider connecting with and contributing to the work of your professional organizations and associations, whether it be on a state, national, or international level. Groups such as NAPNAP or the Association for Nurse Practitioners or SIGMA, whatever would best meet your interests. I think you'll find that's a way to sort of be grounded, to continue your own development, to contribute to the profession, and actually a way to make some lifelong friends. So I really hope you will consider that. Again, congratulations to each of you. So thank you, and I will pass this hat on to the next person. Thank you. Take care.
As you move on to the next step in your journey, I always want you to remember how much you know and how ready you are for this. PNP class of 2020, we are so proud of you. Congratulations to all YSN graduates.
Never forget the importance of development and parent-child attachment. Congratulations to our newest PNPs.
As Yale nurses, always remember to think outside of the medical box. Remember how family and psychosocial factors influence the care you give today and tomorrow. Congratulations.
Hello, new PNPs. It's a great honor and a great privilege to be a nurse practitioner and to establish relationships with families and children and to follow them all along the way through the good times and the more difficult times. So I wish you all well on this next adventure, and I want you to enjoy every moment.
Hey everyone, congratulations, really proud of everyone. Just remember to read an article a day.
My pearl for all of you is that 80% of your physical assessment comes from observation, and you gotta get what you can get when you can get it. I'm so excited for all of you. You will have a wonderful life in pediatric nurse practitioning, and I can't wait to share patients with you in the future.
Congratulations, PNPs. You have an important job ahead of you. Frederick Douglass said it best, it's easier to build strong children than to repair adults.
Nice throw. So not to worry, this isn't part 3 of your adolescent exam. My clinical pearl would be to make sure that you make every clinical service that you work with adolescent friendly. And remember that continuity truly matters in building trusted relationships with your adolescent patients and their families. Good luck to all of you.
Congratulations, Yale Acute Care Nurse Practitioners, on your graduation, particularly Valeria Saint Laurent.
Hi, class of 2020. I have so much gratitude for each of you and the learning that we have done together these last years, and gratitude for the ways you have inspired and supported me to be a better teacher and leader. And I am wishing you so much support as you enter the world now as nurse practitioners and midwives and become the champions of health and justice that I know that you can be and that you already are. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. I just wanted to share a few thoughts as you start your journey. You know, preparing nurses is different than preparing students for other kinds of work. There's an ethos conveyed, because nursing is more than a job. It's a mission and a way of looking at the world. I've enjoyed watching as each of you have taken on this ethos. Now, I wish you the courage to be the advanced practice nurse you have worked so hard to become. And I wish you the grace to flow with the ripples that will come our way in the future. We wish that you will travel places and see things and meet people and do things you've never imagined you would do. And most of all, we hope that you continue to follow our mission of bringing better health to all people. And what do I wish for us? Well, that you let us know what you're up to. When you visit New Haven, that you stop in or say hello, or you could message us just to stay in touch. Congratulations. The Psych Mental Health faculty send all of our best wishes to all of you.
Congratulations!
To the 2020 graduates of Yale University's Doctor of Nursing Practice program in Healthcare Leadership, Systems, and Policy, the faculty and I wish you our warmest and most celebratory congratulations. You are now among the 3% of nurses in the United States who take their place at the highest levels of leadership in our healthcare system. On that note, and as our program motto says, you are now truly today's leaders who will go on to create the healthcare system of tomorrow. And we couldn't be prouder of you. Congratulations.
To the class of 2020, congratulations from the Clinical Support Unit.
You should be proud of all the accomplishments you have made over the past 2 to 3 years.
And while this semester has been anything but ordinary, neither are you.
As you embark on your new clinical career, we wish you all the best.
We can't wait to see the amazing things you will do.
And we can't wait to have you back to help educate a future Yale nurse.
Congratulations!
Hello everyone, congratulations on your graduation. I'm so excited for you. And I'm so excited to see the next steps that you're going to take into your careers. I know that you're going to do amazing things, and I can't wait to see what's next for you. Best wishes.
To each and every one of you graduating this year, we are so proud of you. Everyone here at YSN has been rooting for you, and we couldn't be happier for you at this time of celebration. We know you're going to go far and you're going to have every success in the world. So time to pop that cork and enjoy the celebration. Cheers.